How to apply the remainder theorem? Check the definition of remainder theorem. Definition is that let fx be the polynomial function of simple x when fx is divided by x minus a, remainder is fa, right? When fx is divided by x minus a, remainder is equal to a fa, remainder is fa, right? How to get the real number simply? Always try to convert given divisor into 0. Given divisor into 0. When fx is divided by x minus a, divisor is x minus a. If we are substituting x equals simple a, then value of x minus a becomes 0, right? Value of x minus a becomes 0, right? How to apply the remainder theorem? When fx is divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder? We have to convert value of x minus 2 into 0. We have to convert value of x minus 2 into 0. Therefore, we have to substitute x equal to, we have to substitute x equal to. According to the remainder theorem, when fx is divided by x minus 2, remainder is equal to f2. Check the second example. Gx is divided by x minus 7. How to convert x minus 7 into 0? We have to substitute x equals 7. So, remainder is equal to, name of function is g7, right? When wx is divided by x minus 10, what is the remainder? w10. When px is divided by x plus 3, what is the remainder? Check the divisor x plus 3. If we substitute x equal 3, x plus 3 becomes 6. If we substitute x equal minus 3 plus 3 become 0. So, we have to substitute x equal minus 3. To convert this divisor into 0. When px is divided by x plus 3, remainder is p open bracket minus 3. When fx is divided by 2x minus 1, how to convert this divisor into 0? We have to substitute x equal half. When x equal half, 2x minus 1 become 0. Therefore, remainder is equal to f half.